y'all doing? It's Dylan Smothers at 44 Auto Mart, 998 Frost Avenue, Bardstown, Kentucky, the original 44 of Bardstown. I want to show you this beautiful Grabber Blue 2010 Mustang GT today. Come here at the engine. It's a 4.6, 315 horsepower, 325 foot-pounds of torque. Plenty of pickup on this motor. Got factory 18-inch aluminum alloy wheels. Come around here to the inside. It's all black leather interior. It's got heated seats. It is a 5-speed car. The Sync by Microsoft. Factory shaker radio. Now coming around to the driver's seat here. Let me start her up for you guys. Fires right up, no hesitation. Come on out, 44 Auto Mart, 998 Frost Avenue. I'm Dylan Smothers. Let me help you get in a beautiful car like this today.